8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's still.
Hey kayo. Hey kayo, muna bago kiligin. Hey guys, so ngayon papunta na kami sa 1023 Cafe. Unwind lang kami guys.
Ay na po, ang sarap. Sarap gumana.
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride.
Hi guys, so nasa 1023 Cafe kami. And may mga batang nag-work. May dala ka card eh.
Mukhang gutom na to, eh.
Kanina pa yan.
Are you cold? Do you want to sit down?
May bago po kaming player, si Sir Neil. Sir Neil, hi ka sa vlog. Vlog rin.
Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift about
Say hi to the vlog. Mura na lang, may lumilipad na.
Uy, ito lang ba sa atin?
Oo.
Nangyayari ko kung may nakuha, hindi pala sa amin yung food na yun.
Sabi ko lang ang binidyo lang hindi natin kasi.
Paano ba yan? Hindi na tayo apat. Anim na tayo.
Uy!
Ganda rin, ganda pa naman na iPhone.
Bakit naikot, babe? Ba't naikot?
I-double click mo para ma-recenter.
Gandang-ganda po sa mga sarili. Ano? Grabe ito. Grabe, oh. For the acting. At di ba nang taga-taga ito po? Okay lang yan. Grabe, piyesta na naman. Kasi mga gutom eh.
Ito.
Ito yung may gusto mong kimchi. Bigay mo na lang kanya yung kimchi.
Hindi sa akin seafood eh.
Oo nga.
Kanino ba yun? Ay, yes.
Jason. Ay, grabe naman.
Nakagulo po sila sa... Goods na ako, men. Ulitin ka na lang. Kain na na.
Ano? Yan na naman tayo. Pwede nyo kainin yung straw, guys.
Silungan lang. Silungan. Ito, may Airbnb ata sila. Hindi, meron yung sa Facebook. Sa Airbnb meron sila.
Feels so amazing, all on stretch. Brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as I stay like now when I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same. It's still now and I'm stuck in my bed.
So, ayan, tapos na kami mag-food trip at magplano. Mukhang totoo, nakapagplano talaga kami. Thank you sa Asayas family. Sila ang ano ngayon, naging taya.
Wasting my time